like Celebration so far?
Oh, it's phenomenal. It was a great choice for us. We're a busy club, and we have to provide some good conditions for our guests, and it's allowed us to do that. It's definitely changed our management tactics. We've gone from conservative to really being able to provide a great surface and know that the celebration is going to be there when we need it to count. And right off the bat, it's the aggressiveness and its growing characteristics. I think that's what everybody's seeing. And then we have some fairways that have some pretty significant shade on them. So that's the shade tolerance of Celebration has been phenomenal in those areas. Typical areas that we used to struggle with or really have to baby along through the year have really produced some dramatic results since the switch to Celebration. Before we went to Celebration, especially as we went into the wintertime leading into the players, we'd have to switch to some really conservative measures to make sure we had some good grass for the players. And with Celebration, we just keep right on with our normal practices, relatively aggressive, and to try to provide a great tournament surface.